Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I'll be cleaning my makeup brushes, and trust me, I found this product from Sephora, which is a Sephora brush. I think it's a brush shampoo, and it has been a game changer for me. So usually I would wash my brushes using like the Dawn dish soap with some vinegar and all, and I would have to let them sit before actually washing it. But for this, I just went ahead. I showed you two methods that I use. I went ahead with my brush with some warm water, then did like about 2 pumps of shampoo and just squiggle it in my hand. I didn't have to rub it on anything hard in order for the products to come out, and trust me, everything just melts away. I'm going to show you that most of the products came out by just rubbing it in my hand maker, by catching some water in a bowl, add some shampoo and squiggling it around, and you're going to see that most of the product came out, if not all. Normally when I wash my brushes, I like when they're perfectly clean. I don't like to see that makeup stain on it, and trust me, when I use this shampoo, I did not see any stain whatsoever. This took everything out. Trust me, even with my other brushes with the, your contour is the darkest shade, so you'll see how dark my brushes were and how clean they came out. They came out absolutely perfect. I loved it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead, wash. You guys can go ahead, grab your brushes, start washing, or you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy, because I'm doing my thing. So look at that brush. It came out perfect. So I just went ahead, washed them, put them to the side before rinsing them and putting them on a paper towel to dry. I'm gonna go ahead, lay them flat instead of, it's good to lay them flat or have something to hang them down, because you don't want all that water to like soak up into the brush, because those can cause bacteria and you don't want that on your face. That will cause all kinds of stuff like breakouts, and I know you guys don't want that, because what's a flawless face without a flawless base? So this is me catching the water, adding shampoo, and then putting the brushes in. I'm going to go ahead and take them one by one. And for the smaller brush, I'm going to do them like in bulks. So they won't be soaking for that long, but you're going to see how clean they come out. So continue to watch, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Here you go, guys. These are my brushes. They're all freshly washed, and I'm gonna let them sit here like for a day or two. I think I let them stay for like 2 days before taking them up, because you don't want to take up any damp brushes, bacteria. And here you go, guys. These are them. They're all dry, and look at how clean they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.